The armed forces of the Russian Federation and Ukraine reported the progress in the front line in the last 24 hours. The armed clashes had occurred in some areas. In Donetsk direction, the attacks, launched by aviation and artillery of the Yug Group of Forces, as well as the active actions of the group, have resulted in the neutralization of up to 375 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 tanks, 5 armored fighting vehicles, 4 motor vehicles, 1 D-30 howitzer, and 1 US-manufactured TPQ-50 counter-battery radar station. 2 AFU ammunition depots of 60th and 64th Mechanized Brigades have been destroyed close to Verkhnekamenskoye and Stupochki, Donetsk People's Republic. In total, the armed forces of Ukraine have been lost 428 fighter jets, 235 helicopters, 4,273 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems, 9,275 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, also 1,100 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,887 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,395 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation, said the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov May 23. The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement May 23 said Russia lost 480 servicemen in a single day, including 4 tanks, 12 armored fighting vehicles, as well as 40 artillery systems and 34 drones. In total, Moscow have been lost 204,360 servicemen since Russia have been launched full-scale aggression into Ukraine territories. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky a visit to Vuhledar and Marinka defense line in the Donetsk region. Zelensky awarded the strongest. We honored the memory of the best. I would like to wish our warriors to take care of their lives, for the life of Ukraine depends on their lives, Zelensky said. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 456 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.